It's been a month since an EF2 tornado ripped through Longwood, leveling this house and damaging others. Incredibly, no one was seriously hurt. 1 month later, we wanted to go back out into that neighborhood along Blue Iris Place to see how everyone is bouncing back.
WESH News' Michelle Meredith is live for us in the neighborhood tonight. And Michelle, let's start with that two-story home that was destroyed. What does it look like now?
Well, you know, when we turned the corner, we didn't know what to expect. What happened to that two-story wood frame house that had beds hanging off the sides? Well, as you can see, it's been demolished down to the foundation. It's a gorgeous Friday in Whispering Wind subdivision in Longwood. The birds are chirping, the sky is blue, but 1 month ago it was a different story.
Ay, Dios mío.
A powerful tornado swept through the neighborhood, as powerful as a Category 3 hurricane. It completely demolished one house. Now that house is completely gone, cleared down to the foundation. There are trees, missing parts, roofs, missing shingles, lots of tarps. Some houses still wear specks of insulation that came from other homes. Keith Mielik, who's blind, was upstairs when the tornado hit.
The house acted like somebody, if you get all at once, you get real cold and you actually shake all over. You know, you get one of these things. That's just what the house felt like. It just shuddered.
Having survived a tornado, Keith says he's now trying to survive getting his house repaired. The primary bedroom has patched up holes in the ceiling.
But the holes are where the sheetrock actually was damaged.
And for reasons that are hard to understand, Keith says he can only get a partial estimate on the cost to fix the trusses, the framework of the roof on one side of his house. And until he gets that, he's in limbo.
All they do is give me time and material.
And what's missing?
I can't turn that time and material over to an insurance company. I need an estimate of what it's going to cost to replace it. I am frustrated, very frustrated.
Frustrated, but like everyone else, still grateful that as powerful as the storm was and as fast moving, everyone survived. Live in Seminole County, Michelle Meredith, WESH 2 News.